Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2016 Kawasaki Z800. This bike has just over 2,800 miles on it and is in mint condition. It is all stock still, so let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. This naked style street bike has been kept in really clean condition. Tires appear to still be in good shape, so when it goes through inspection, service will make sure that they are. Alright, show you those miles now. 2808 is what's on it. This 2016 Kawasaki Z800 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.